Have you ever tried grilled okra? We've got a lot of okra from the garden. This is about three different picks, and one one way to that people know about okra is when you cook it, it's become slimy, but when you grill it, it is not slimy at all. And everybody that we have recommended to eat okra grilled, they loved it. So here's some okra, and it's best to take the not the biggest but the good ones so they don't fall through the grill. Just pick what you need, and if you pick some small ones, they might something like that. They might fall through the grill, so you might want to keep stay away from. This is a little bit too small, so just pick how much you wanna grill, and if you got a lot company, and put more. And I'm going to ask my wife, is that enough? So my wife says no, put more. So, and just pick this is a little bit too big for anything, maybe for grilling. A good 4 inches okra is the best, and I think that's plenty. See, that's plenty right there. All right, all we got to do is very simple. It's drill some olive oil. Put some drizzle, not too much. Putting too much olive oil, it will just make it, in the grill, it will burn. So you don't want that. You don't want the grill to flame up. And some salt and pepper for taste. And just mix it. So you can get them coated good. And right before you put them on the grill, make sure you mix it again. So let's go to the grill. Get your grill hot or warm or whatever. You don't want to put them on. Mix it before you put it in there. Make sure there's no standing oil, because you might start burning. And just throw it on the grill. That's it. Close it. Let it grill, baby. My little grill is not really powerful, so it might take a while, but normally on a good sized grill, on my big grill, it probably will take about 5 minutes, and then turn them, and another couple, 3 or 4 minutes, and they should be ready. But we will show you when they are ready, even on this grill. This is a 2-person grill, so I love it because it's just my wife and I, and we love to do a lot of grilling, and this is just right for us. You don't need that. We have a 5-burner grill when we have the family over, and but this is what we use most of the time. We're doing this grilling on our screen porch. We love it. It's what you call a 3-season room. We got a fan running to keep it a little bit cool, and we have the view of our garden and the field. It's beautiful, and but most of the time we sit right here on this table. But when we have company, we just set up right here. Let's stick to our grilling today. All right, let's check and see what we got. It's been about 3 or 4 minutes, maybe 5. That's perfect. See, start to turn the grilling marks. Cooking okra this way, it does not come out slimy at all. We love it. We cook it at least once a week. All right, keep it back. All right, let's check it. See, that's perfect. See how the color the green color kind of dull. You don't want to. You can cook it if you want to more, but this is perfect. It's got some grill marks. Yeah, it's dull green. That's perfect. Sometimes they might split, which is fine. If you want, you can grill it some more, but this is perfect. This is perfect for us. So, and if you want, you can drizzle some more olive oil on top of it, and mix it before you serve it. That would be good. Have you ever tried eggplant grilled, put on the grill? It's very simple and it's delicious. All you need is some eggplant. This is a globe type eggplant. Some olive oil. Oops, it was open. Some olive oil and salt and pepper. That's all we need. So, and enough, of course. First thing we got to do is take the top of it and slice it about 3/8 to half an inch. You don't want it to be too thick. Half an inch is a little bit too big, so I like about 3/8 if you know the dimension 3/8. For 2 of us, this is plenty for 2 people. Way more than enough. That's a lot of eggplant. So what we need to do is put them in a container. You don't need to put salt so you can draw the water. Just put them in the container like this. And drizzle some olive oil. Not too much again, but eggplant can drink some of that olive oil. So I would say probably for 1 eggplant, about a tablespoon, maybe a little bit more. And you might want to check it and see. And then just give it a good mixing. And maybe a little bit more olive oil because, like I said, eggplant do drink the oil a little bit. You can put them on a sheet of cookie sheet or something like that, and you can drizzle them and put salt. That'll work too, instead of doing 2 times. But it looks like it's coated to me. It looks good, so. And right before you put them on the grill, mixing them again. So let's go to the grill. All right, let's put this eggplant on the grill. If it's too dry for you, you can add drizzle some more olive oil and mix it up good, but this is good. We already put about 2 tablespoons. It's good enough. And just stack it I said we only cook for 2 people here, so this is perfect for us. Put it on. Don't make sure it's not too wet, because if it is too wet with oil, it will catch fire. So make sure it's not, and just let it cook. All right, it's been about 5 minutes or so. Let's check it. Make sure when it's done, one side is you start seeing some grill marks, I guess. You don't want it. You don't want it to be too done, because it becomes really. Oops. I have to go get some help right here. Oh, that one went down. Looks like the right side is not cooking as good, but it's almost done. All right, it's been another 45 minutes, so let's check it. Yeah, baby, that looks perfect. That looks perfect. Sometimes they might dry out because of the low heat grill. When you serve it, you probably want to put more olive oil. So this is good for us. That's how we like it. It's perfect. They are so smooth. They are so smooth. All right, let's go eat. We're gonna cook some hot dogs today. Today is the 4th of July, so we're gonna celebrate the 4th with some hot dogs. This is an all beef top hot dogs. Yeah, we like this type of hot dogs, Oscar Mayer beef hot dogs. Let's give them some cooking. Been a few minutes. This grill is really slow, so we don't mind. We got time. We are taking care of some scapernon. Alright, it's been a few minutes. Let's check it. I think our heat is gone. Our gas is gone. Yep, our gas is finished. Oh well. 1 pound can to the rescue. You have to have an adapter from a 1 pound to a 20 pound canister. They're almost ready. Almost ready. Yeah, based on the smoke, it looks like it's something going on. All right. 2 minutes. All right, based on the smoke, it looks like everything is ready. Yeah, it's smoking. So let's cut it off. Let's go eat. Make sure you show them. It's time to eat. This is our 4th of July lunch. Hot dogs, eggplants, grilled eggplant, and grilled okra. And on the side we got cantaloupe, toast, and salad with tomatoes, cucumber, and onion, and olive oil. Can't get any better than this.